Are you looking for a comprehensive solution for your pharmaceutical manufacturing business that can seamlessly integrate all your operations? Well, look no further. ebizframe Intelligent ERP is here to transform your business. With its advanced capabilities and tailored functionalities, this cutting-edge solution will help you stay ahead of the competition and propel your growth like never before. So, what makes ebizframe the ultimate choice for the pharmaceutical industry? Let's explore some of its key features. Seamless compliance management. Effortlessly handle complex compliance requirements, including FDA, GMP, and GDP. Enhanced traceability and quality control. Easily track and trace products across the supply chain, ensuring compliance, minimizing risks, and improving quality control. Optimized inventory and warehouse management. Say goodbye to inaccuracies and stockouts. Streamline inventory management, reduce costs, and enhance order fulfillment efficiency. Efficient production planning. Plan and schedule production activities with ease, eliminating bottlenecks and boosting operational efficiency. Robust quality control and assurance. Ensure the highest product quality with defined parameters, inspections, and COPPA tracking. Streamline batch manufacturing record, BMR, and batch packaging record, BPR, management. Create, store, and maintain detailed records for each batch, ensuring consistent processes and regulatory compliance. Ensure expiry date traceability. Easily track expiry dates across the supply chain, generate reports and alerts for proactive decision-making, and prevent stock obsolescence. But wait, there's more. ebizframe Intelligent ERP offers a plethora of embedded advanced technologies. Business intelligence, robotic process automation, the Internet of Things, and mobile applications. It's a complete ecosystem designed to meet the unique challenges of the pharmaceutical industry. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our valued customers have to say about their experience with ebizframe Intelligent ERP.
My name is Teresa Yamson, and I'm the CEO of Phyto Rikergh Pharmaceuticals Limited. We've had an exciting journey over the last 4 months with IPMC, where we've actually put the ebizframe to work here in our organization. It's actually given us a better insight into how our business operations works, linking the various modules and having real-time data on our organization so that then we can move forward and take the best decisions.
So, if you're ready to unlock the true potential of your pharmaceutical business, it's time to embrace the power of ebizframe Intelligent ERP. Contact us to learn more.